Hi guys, welcome back to Reptiles Vlogs. This is my DIY fashion accessories and organizer. This is made from empty jar and decorated with embroidered flowers. Look at this. And this one is made from the hanger from the garments, underwear, and I'm using for the organizer of my fashion accessories. This is my fashion accessories, my DIY fashion accessories made from recycled materials. So you can check my playlist on how to create fashion accessories made from recycled materials. This one is made from the bottle caps of shampoo. This one. So just check my playlist and you can find all my tutorials on how to create fashion accessories made from recycled waste materials. This one is a necklace made from the cork of the wine. Look at this, cork of the wine. And this one is a bangle. Look, this is made from the charger of the cell phone, charger of the mobile. Look, and decorated with crystal. Look at this. So all these things you can find from my video tutorials. Just click my playlist, how to create fashion jewelry made from recycled materials. And the light is, I just inserted here inside. This is a battery operated light just to add beauty of this organizer. Look at this. Just simply insert this wire here inside it. Look at here. Just off, on, off, on. And decorated here with crystal here, guys. This is a sticker type crystal. This is a hanger for the lingerie. I just reverse the hanger and fix it here with the glue. So this is how it looks like. Look at here, and here decorated also with crystal. Look, different types of fashion accessories. This one is made from plastic container. This one from the bottles of the ketchup. Look at here, decorated with crystals and flowers on the other side. And also this crystal and the other side is different design, butterfly. So you can transform the waste material into a beautiful fashion accessories. This one is made from the empty egg tray. Look at this, and decorated with crystal. And now this is already the transformation of the egg tray. And this one is a bracelet made from the plastic bottles of fabric conditioner. So this is it, guys. So I hope you like this tutorial or this fashion accessories with accessories organizer made from waste materials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Reptiles Vlogs, and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. Bye bye, and don't forget to like and comment and share and support my channel by clicking the super thanks below in order to improve my channel. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Look at this, oh. So all of these materials is made from recycled waste plastic bottles, and this one is made from empty jar. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.